And we're off to this story next. Three suspects have been arrested in the Thabo Bester case, bringing the total number of arrests to 12 since April this year. The three suspects are expected to appear in the Bloemfontein Magistrate's Court today. Police spokesperson Athlenda Mathe says two of the suspects are 47 years of age and the third is 37 years old. Mathe says that all three are male and are all G4S employees. For more on today's court appearance, we now cross live to our SABC News reporter, Kamogelo Seekoei. Kamogelo, good morning and thank you so much for making time for us. I remember during the last time this matter was before the court, the state did indicate that they will be bringing three more suspects to add to the number of suspects that are already part of this matter. And here they are, the three suspects. But what do we know about them? Good morning.
Good morning to you, Aldrin, and to the viewers. The only thing that we know so far about the three men who are appearing in the Bloemfontein Magistrate's Court this morning is that they are former employees of the G4S prison where Thabo Bester escaped last year in May. We don't really know what their involvement has been. Remember, most of the information that we have been getting, we got it from the charge sheet that has been available in terms of who has been involved in, and that's as far as we know about these people. They have not been mentioned in that particular charge sheet where all the other people that have been arrested in this matter have been mentioned, and their involvement in the case has been explained in that charge sheet. So we will hear in court, of course, what their involvement is, but we don't expect to hear that today because today is just the first appearance. We do expect that their matter will be added to that of the 9 people who've already appeared in court and are expected to come back to the court on the 8th of August. But if I may just remind the viewers of the people who are involved in this case, of course we have the 4 people, Senwe Matwara, as well as Thabo Dipulu, Mutanyane Masukela and Tieho Makhutsa, who were denied bail in this particular court. And we also have Dr. Nandi Pamakudumana, who has decided to suspend provisionally her bail application while she deals with her arrest in Tanzania. Remember that the High Court has actually found that her arrest in Tanzania was irregular or irregularly executed, but did say that dismissed her application, of course, on the basis of the fact that she did consent to come back to the country. We also have her father as well as Natasha Jansen, who is also a former employee of the G4S prison, who were granted 10,000 rand bail each. And the latest person, or rather the second latest person in this matter to be arrested, was Zanda Moyo, who is a Zimbabwean national who has told the Bloemfontein Magistrate's Court that he will not be applying for bail. He has waived his right to bail. So the latest people, of course, are the 3 men who are expected to appear in the court this morning, and their case will, of course, be added to the rest of those people, and they will all appear on the 8th.
No.
Aldrin?
And Kamogelo, just a final one. Are we clear as yet how far away we are from the trial actually starting?
Pardon me, Aldrin, are you saying that how far are we in this matter?
How far are we with the actual trial starting in this matter?
Well, according to legal analysts that we have spoken to, it's going to take a while before we even get to the trial, because the police have not yet concluded their investigation in this matter. If you remember, the investigating officer who led evidence in the bail application told the court that they are still investigating. It was in May when he said they need about 3 months to finalize their investigation, and they expect to arrest more people. As a matter of fact, in the charge that I mentioned, there are other people that are mentioned in there who are not G4S employees. Remember that there was a body that was claimed at the government mortuary, and the process of claiming that body has come under question. So we do expect that the police are investigating those processes, and whether those processes were followed to the last letter or whether they were flouted. And we will see, as they have said, they are expecting to arrest more people, and we will see with time if they will indeed arrest people that are outside of the G4S prison.